Right. Now what I want this one. 10, 8, 6, 4, 2. If you have finished, just put the message. Very good. You have done in the computer or what, Puta? Anjali, you have done in the computer. If it is yours, can you put the code to me? Ah, okay, Puta, okay. It's okay. Right. If you have finished that, then display this asterisk mark phone to me. If you want horizontally, this one, you are using this part. Number කියලා දාලා හැමදෙස්සෙම මොකක්ද වෙන්නේ පුතා මේ print x කියලා දැම්මනම් මොකක්ද වෙන්නේ? හිතන්න මේ number එක එනකොට x කියලා තිබුණා. එයා දෙක දැම්මයින් පස්සේ it will move to a new line. Move to a new line. Right? Move to a new line. මේ print එකත් එක්කලා move to a new line. එතකොට අපි මෙන්න මේකෙන් කරලා තියෙන්නේ මේ new line එක යන්නේ /n කියන එකත් එක්කලා. /n කියන එකත් එක්කලා තමයි යන්නේ. Right? /n. But now what you are doing with this end equal, I'm giving a blank here. With the help of that, behalf of this /n, we are using a space. So because of that, it will give the answer on the same line. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, something like that. Okay. Clear? To do the horizontally, you have to give this comma end equal something here. Now think, behalf of this end, you have given x end equal hash like this. So it will give 2 hash, 4 hash, 6 hash, 8 hash, 10. Yes, you have to print it horizontally. Default, it is not default katawak na eki. Okay. So if you have used the normal print, what will happen? It will print like 10, 8, 6, 4, 2 vertically. But now I want horizontally. If you are going to go with the horizontally, then you have to use the end statement. That is also, and also we are using as the keyword here. How many of you all have finished that? How many of you all have finished the program? If you have finished, put the message with the others. If you have finished, you have to display this. Display. Now this is Q4. Display following. Oh, you have to display asterisk marks. If you have finished, just put the message. Send me a chat message. Yes, good. So if you all have finished, I want that asterisk marks. Now this everything that what we have done in the class, right? So here also you are going to use the while loop. Because of that, you know the first value. Okay, you know the last value. So you are having the first value as well as last value. Yes. Yes, correct, Pudha. Very good. Number equal 10 while number now not less than greater than or equal to. What we have to do? You have to print the number. Then number minus equal to. Why? How you can go to the next one? 10 minus 2 only 8. Minus 2 only 6. Minus 2 only 4. Minus 2 only 2. That's all. So you know the starting value, you know the end value. So with the help of this one, you can take the output. Now is it clear for you all? කාට හරි ප්‍රශ්න තියෙනවනම් අහන්න ඕනේ. Sir, for print I used. Very good. If you have used something like that, then it will print like 10, comma, okay, 8, comma, 6, comma, 4, comma, 2, something like this. Is that correct, Anjali? If you have used comma, then it will apply comma. So if you are using something like that, you have to give it here, comma, end, equal, comma. So with the equal sign, it will separate all the value with a comma. Then you have to close the bracket. Anjali, check the answer. Check your answer, Anjali. Okay, good to the. Check the equal sign. End equal, comma. Use it. Otherwise, it will not give the output. No? Okay, okay, okay. Right. Now we need what? We need the asterisk mark, right? So where's our Python shell? Take file. I'm going to close this one and I'm going to put it here 10, and here I'm going to use greater than or equals to 2, and I want to print the number, and okay, not plus, minus 2. So file, save as, while 5 descending, save. Now I'm running file, run. Now you can see 10, 8, 6, 4, 2 will be displaying. Now what I need, now look here, Buddha. Within double quotation I'm giving asterisk mark, and multiplying by 1, it will give 1. So if I have given 2 here, 2 asterisk marks. Now if I have given 3 asterisk marks. So if I have multiplied by 10 asterisk mark. Now you are having some idea. Now you are having some idea how to take the asterisk marks. It has to take as a string value නේද? ඔන්න මෙහෙම දාලා x කියලා ගත්තා. මෙහෙම ගාලා asterisk mark එක දුන්නා. So it is a string. It's a string. Kind of symbol. Now I want this symbol, I'm giving to x. X is equal double quotation asterisk mark. Okay, I'm giving print x multiply by 10. Close bracket and press enter. So now you can see it will give 10 separate asterisk mark on the same line. On the same line. Can't see. Can you all see? Okay, so I have given here double quotation. I have given asterisk mark and I have entered. So what I can do, this asterisk mark I can multiply by 5. So it will give 5 asterisk marks. 5 asterisk marks. Now if I want 2 asterisk marks, so what I am doing, I am multiplying, I am keeping the cursor here and press enter. I am giving 2. So it will display only 2 asterisk marks. So what you have to do, if you are having a string value, now think something like this. A, you want to repeat this one 5 times, multiply by 5. So it will give 5s. You want to give at sign 5 times. So multiply by 5 times. So it will give. Okay, Buddha, is it clear? So now what I want, right? What I want here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, I want 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then I need 5. Okay, I'm going to type this one. So how you can do this? How you can do this one? Okay. So I have to start with one asterisk mark. Okay. So what I'm doing here, I'll take a copy of this program. I'm getting number less than or equal 5. Number into asterisk mark. Then number equal number plus 1. No? Now I'm saving. File, save as, practical one. Okay, something like this. Save. Run. So you can see the output has given like this. But here, it is displaying with the output, right? It will displaying with the output. So because of that, what I don't want that asterisk mark to be there. නේද මෙතන තියෙද්දී මොකක්ද වෙන්නේ? So this output will be displaying at the same line. It will start the first asterisk mark. පළවෙනි asterisk mark එක පටන් ගන්නවා. So I'll run file run module. So you can see the values and it is engaging with the here. Then only 1, 2, 3. But I don't want this asterisk mark here. I want it here on the next line. So what you will have to do? Next line you know what you will have to do? What a slash in එකක් දෙන්න වෙනව නේද? So when you are starting, you have to give something / in. So we'll see run module. Do you want to save? Yes. Now you can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's aligned and it is clear. Is it clear? Right. Good. Now with the help of \n, you all know what has happened. Because I haven't comment this one. Make a comment කරුවේ නෑනේ. එහෙනම් මේකේ output එකත් එක එනවා පුතා. මේකේ output එක. No need this one. Okay? What we can do? will comment on a comment keruwa. So they have given the shortcut to comment everything. Format Alt 3. Now it will give only that output. But you can see here you don't have any spaces, but here you can see blank space එකක් තිබිලා තමයි හැම එකේම යන්නේ. Blank space එකක් තිබිලා. Why that blank space is there? Because we have used n. Now if we have removed the n again, what will happen? Run module. Okay. Without spacing it will show you. Now here for each and every line there was a space, but here that space I have removed. Good. දැන් හොඳට තේරුම් අරගෙන if you have finished, do this one. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 1 2 1. Do it fast. Can you all hear me? Yes, right. So I'm giving here x equal something like this. Print x into 15. Control C and Control V. Number will give 5 less than or equal 1. number greater than or equal to 1. Minus 1. Okay. So save as straight to. So I'm going to take the output now. Look here. Run this one. Ha. Okay. Clear? So this will be the output. For this purpose, to take this output, what I have done, I wrote this code. Okay. Sir, you display only 4 stars to the upper row. No, only 1, 2, 3, 4. Then give 4 here. Number just change it to 4. If you have changed it to 4, then it will go with 4. Okay. The logic is okay, no? The main thing is logic. This logic. This logic. Okay, next question. One, two. Do this one. මේ වැඳගන්න පොතේ Q5ද Q6. Put the question is clear, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. 1, 2, 1. How you can do that? We are going to start with 8. So 8, number greater than or equal 1. This condition is true. Print number into asterisk marks. So this is the symbol that we required. Number, you can see here how many asterisk marks are there. How many asterisk marks are there? 8, 4, 2, 1. Can 8, it was a 4, 2, 1. Can make a බෙදුවනම් හරිය නේද? 8 divided by 2, 4 divided by 2, 2 divided by 2, something like that. Ne? Now you have the idea. So here, what I'm doing, I'm using here integer division. Okay, we'll see whether it's giving the correct output. File, save as, asterisk number 3. Run. What will happen here? What has happened? It's not stopping, right? 8 gear. ඊළඟ ටිකට මොන හරි එකක් වෙනවා. Do you want to kill it? Yes. Okay. Right. කවුරු හරි එක්කෙනෙක් මට හදලා කියන්න පුතා බලන්න. මොකද්ද වෙලා තියෙන්නේ කියලා. What is the error? That is not stopping. When I have run the program, it is not stopped. It has continued again and again. Why is that? Can anyone, this is the program that I have wrote. Can anyone suggest any modification for this program? I have done something wrong. Something wrong with my logic. So the CPU can't understand this. According to the CPU understanding, it will give the output. It will give the output. But as a human, I know what kind of output that I required. Okay. I required 8. 8 asterisk marks. Then I need 4 asterisk marks. Then I need 2 asterisk marks. Then I need 1. 8, 4, 2, 1. Now you all know the logic, how to take this one. Can anyone division? Okay, Shavin. So it happen if we put 1 division. Okay. So what is the modification? What I have to do? Where I have to change? How I can take my output? It has to be 2. Okay. It has to be 2 loop. So I'll make it 2. Divide by 2. Okay. We'll see the output then. Run. Run module. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. හරි නේද පුතා? Good. Good. Okay, Buddha. Okay. Here, this is the code, Buddha. I have used the flow division නේද? I have used the අර slash දෙකක් දීලා තියෙන්නේ මොකද්ද? When you divide by some number, it will give the with the decimal point. Because of that, I have used the what flow division or integer division. So it will give the integer answer. Okay, any doubts? You all have to come back.